Action.
So, hey y'all. So, again, today we're cooking dinner and we just want to do on here. So, I'll show a little bit.
You can do just enough.
Okay.
Whatever that means. All right, that's enough. All right, and then we're just going to turn. We're going to put this back here. Can you get the top?
Why is it? Does it need to boil?
Yep, it needs to boil so we can put the. We're going to do.
How about we do these?
We're going. No, we're going to do the thin ones.
Why?
Because we had the other ones the other day. So Nairobi, what we cooking today?
So what we're cooking is kind of like parmesan. It's like some noodles, some chicken. Like,
Yeah, so we're going to do chicken parmesan. So that's what we're going to cook today, and we're going to do some thin marinara noodles. So yeah.
It's gonna be buzzing.
All right, y'all. So welcome back to my channel. I washed my hair today and just put it in a bun, y'all. So excuse how I look. I'm so tired. I just got off of work, but the job doesn't stop. So we have to make dinner. Happy Vlogtober. Hopefully y'all are enjoying it. Like I said, we are making chicken parm with some thin spaghetti noodles. I forget the name. What are they called? Angel hair noodles. Angel hair noodles with some spaghetti sauce on top or marinara. And yeah, what you about to say, Mama?
So you could totally cook along with us.
Yeah.
And if you cook the same thing, that's gonna be like surprising.
So she is putting gloves on. That's what we do. I don't like handling chicken without gloves. This because you have to be very careful with chicken.
It's just disgusting.
It's just disgusting. But yeah, action.
So hey y'all, so again, today we're cooking dinner and we just want to do on here. So today we're going to be cooking some noodles. We got some, so we're basically cooking parmesan, some chicken, some noodles, and yeah. So if you want to follow along, you can, and it would be nice. And now I'm passing it over to Maria.
Mommy.
Maria. Ah!
That's what you get.
Maria.
God don't like ugly.
Alright, baby, I'm about to bust a move.
Alright, see you, babe.
Where you going?
I'll be right back.
Get your body out.
Not with your body out.
Gloves.
Yeah, she is.
It's spicy to death.
Alright, so we're going to get our cutting board, and we do have our gloves on just for, just because chicken is really dirty. Nairobi, she gonna say, can you move over a little bit? Wait, I'm blocking you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's Maria and Nairobi, not Maria.
Oh, okay. Okay. First thing, I'm mommy, and I'm not gonna tell you that again.
Maria.
And second thing, this is my brain. This is my brain.
So why would you name it Maria and Nairobi? Just
Because
name
I
it
named
Maria.
you Nairobi.
I know.
Actually, Jazz, if you're watching this, Miss Jasmine named you
So
Nairobi.
can I open with my finger?
No, you're not gonna be able to. Huh?
You want love?
No.
That is so weird.
Alright,
All right, let's get some chicken.
All right, see you. All right, now hold on, baby.
That was-
Can you do me a favor and move the cheese over here because I just don't want any chicken juice to get on the cheese. Thank you. And then
Can I help you put it in?
we're just fitting these in because we're gonna save these two. Since it's just you, Mr. Ryan, and me eating, we're just going to use.
I love the smell of it.
Yeah, please don't touch your face though.
I don't know.
Okay.
But
Can you pick that up? No.
I'm just going to.
So now what we're gonna do? Hold on, Nairobi. Hold on, Nairobi. If you can't listen, you can't help mommy.
Okay, can I grab one?
I'm trying to clean out the sink.
I'm gonna make some more. How about we move this here?
So now what you want to do is just rinse everything off.
Okay. I don't want to. Wait,
More, and it just cooks better.
and why does it look like that on the inside? It's creepy. Did you get all the blood off?
Mm-hmm. All right, so
Can I help seize it?
yes.
I'm just gonna cut right here.
Hold on, Nairobi. You want to put this in the freezer?
So which one are we doing first?
Just hold on 1 second. And then I have some Goya, adobo,
Please? Can I use the next one?
and then I've got dash. There you go.
A little bit.
And I have slap your mama. I like spice, so I'm just going to be a little careful with this because the other two don't.
That's good.
And then this is garlic and herbs.
Garlic and herbs, y'all.
This is lemon pepper.
And what's the last one?
And this is Montreal chicken. Alright. Well, you know, we could do a little more than.
Ooh, ow.
Alright. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this to this. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do some.
Don't you got mint some more?
This is olive oil.
Can I spray?
Go
I
ahead.
never got to spray. You don't want too much oil.
No, you actually can. Okay.
Here you go.
Excuse me.
Now do we mix it?
Yes, but what I'm gonna do just to be extra clean,
She's a clean
Because-
girl, y'all.
I'm just scared because
She's a clean girl because her boyfriend is clean, so you look at it.
No, I just don't want no. So this is Clorox wipes, y'all. So yes, you can take your hands and you can just rub the seasoning all over it. You want to take them apart? Yep.
Yo, why does it have a heart? It feels so good.
So you want to mix them all around. You want the seasoning on top to get the seasoning at the bottom.
Alright, y'all, as you see me mixing this, baby, we gonna have some good dinner. And, because I'm an expert. But I think we need a little more seasoning and everything.
Let me see.
A little more seasoning and everything. This one really got the most seasoning. We need, what's something? Are you gonna fill that whole thing up?
Since they're really flat pieces, you don't need that much oil. Nairobi. No. Thank you.
You do cooking videos?
We're just doing it. Girl, go wash your hands.
No, sometimes I feel better. That's not wrong.
So I really should have mixed the eggs before putting them in with the chicken. But y'all, I'm tired. Like I said, I worked all day. You really want to mix it before you even put it in here with the chicken. Don't judge me.
Don't judge that woman. You heard her.
Little girl, I'm cracking up.
Don't. Oh, can I do that too?
No, I got it. No. I have it, baby.
Please.
So you really just want to move it all around with the egg. And again, like the egg just makes it more crunchy when you're frying it.
But I don't like it.
And I already put on the water, as you've seen in the beginning of the video.
Now
Can
it's
you get the flour, please?
flour. I love so flour. Flour.
And if you want an extra season, you
Can I
can
pour it in?
season. You can season the flour as well, but I'm good with the seasoning that I put on. So now what you're going to do
And maybe I should not do that.
is you're going to put it in here.
Ooh, cause I mush it up in there. I love that part.
Here you go. Put it in the camera.
Ooh, let's do it. Let's do
Then
it.
we're just waiting for this to get
Ooh,
hot.
let's do it. It'll help spread it. It'll help spread it. Let's look at this thing. Whenever you're cooking this, make sure you mash it like this. Mommy, whenever you're cooking it, mash it like this. Because that helps spread everything.
Okay.
Hour time! I put it right here so you can hear me better. Because last time he was like, what? It was go back.
But yeah, you gotta be careful with frying. I was salty.
Did you burn yourself?
Mm-mm.
What happened?
It's just you can't have your oil too hot because it'll cook the outside, but the inside won't be cooked. It'll be like bloody in the inside. And I learned the hard way.
So you have to take it out and burn yourself and boom.
No, you don't burn yourself. You just make the oil.
And
less
that's what
hot.
about how it works.
Yeah, I seen that. Hey y'all, so while I'm cooking in the kitchen, I like to do homework with Nairobi. She is in 2nd grade, so she's learning how to count by hundreds. She's learning how to count change or coins. So that's what we were doing here. But I don't know about you all, but I'd be so frustrated doing homework. She'd be frustrated with me. I'd be frustrated. And she'd be telling me I'm wrong. I'm telling her she's wrong. It's a whole thing. But yeah, we got through it. But normally when I am downstairs cooking, it's just a perfect time for me to check in while she's doing her homework. Her teacher advised the parents not to really help them too much, just so the teachers can know what the children need to work on. But yeah, I be on the struggle bus when it comes to homework. But we got through it. Another day.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but
Alright, y'all. Oh my gosh. So dinner is done. All my cleaning is done. I cleaned earlier in the day, like during my break at work. And then y'all see me just cook dinner and do homework. I was like, if you have one apple, you take away 2. Oh my gosh. Whoo, she's learning how to count coins. And what else is she learning? Learning how to count hundreds. So, yeah. And then she has to read for 20 minutes. Then she has like some other worksheets. So yeah. The job don't stop, y'all. And I just started a load of laundry. I didn't eat. I just don't have an appetite. So I'm about to take a shower, get Nairobi washed up, make sure she gets in the bed on time because she's a night owl. Like, you have to force her. And then hopefully, I have to edit. It's October, so I have to edit my video for tomorrow. So I do have like a bulk filmed. So I do have footage to put out, but it's just not edited. So once I get her down every night, that's what I've been doing. It's just like editing it and getting it ready. Hopefully y'all are enjoying, but I am beat. So this completes the vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody about Maria Nairobi. Make sure you follow me on all platforms. I am Maria Nairobi on all platforms. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.